A pen or a pencil for us to take notes
Oh.
with. But before we get started, you guys know what to do? Yeah, oh no. Let me hear the thunder on 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, in there. Alright, take out your notes. We're going to get started with the first do now. I know you have been working on inequalities for the last 2 hours. And now we're going to, not only are we solving these inequalities, but we are applying them to the number line. So if you remember this from throughout the year, go ahead, give it your best shot. I don't think you'll have much problem with this. If you don't, kind of work through it. I'm going to go around, see who did it, but we're going to take a few moments, a couple minutes to look at this. So get this problem in your notes because we're going to revisit it as we're going into the new material. Nate's already getting started on it. Johnny's worked with some number lines before. I know your name's not Anthony. If you finish, please be quiet, let everybody else finish their work. Alright, looks like most people are done. So alright, if you're not finished, we are going to revisit and go back all over this problem. But first, just going to go over what I'm assuming is reviewed for most people, but I want it all in your notes. So, Ajani, can you read this out for me? X is greater than 2. Krista. What's the difference, Krista? There is no difference, right? So that's just the first rule we're going over, right? Sometimes you have the variable on the left, sometimes the variable is going to be on the right. As long as, I think Miss Paula calls it a shark attack, right, Justin? Mm-hmm. Calls it a shark attack? Tell me about the shark attack. What does that mean?
It faces the number and it reduces.
It's facing it? Mm-hmm. What is it, the shark's mouth? Alright. Miss Paula say that whatever is larger, the shark eats because the shark's always hungry. Is that something that you went over? Yeah. Sasha? Yes? Alright. Alright, so I think we have that clarified, but I didn't want to see everyone, saying, oh, these are opposite, because they're not, right? Our variables switch sides as well. So we switch the sign. Everything in our solution set is still x greater than 2, greater than 2. So this should be going into your notes, right? This is all 4 forms that we're going to see. We have a case with less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, excuse me, and greater than or equal to. Tiffany, when the solution set is less than, which way is the arrow going to be pointing? When the solution is less than. So here's the number line. Here's greater than. Here's less than, right? As we go left on the number line, do the numbers get, let's see, Talia, do the numbers get more negative or more positive when we go left on the number line? Alright, you said them both now, so here's 0, right? To the left, over here, is going to be more negative or more positive? Less than, yeah, there you go. If that's the way, remember? I haven't heard that, but you can say that. Yes, left is less than.
Don't you know, like, how the number